Lesson 5A, Story Time. Lesson 5B, Values. Michael, Michael. Peter, Peter. John, John. Wendy, Wendy. It's Michael, it's Michael. It's Peter, it's Peter. It's John, it's John. It's Wendy, it's Wendy. Polite, polite. Impolite, impolite. Polite, polite. Impolite, impolite. Polite, polite. Impolite, impolite. She, she. He. Let's practice. She is polite. She is polite. He is impolite. He is impolite. He is polite. He is polite. He is impolite. He is impolite. Let's learn more. I'm polite. Mom, mom. Grandpa, grandpa. Teacher, teacher. Friend, friend. I'm polite to my mom. I'm polite to my mom. I'm polite to my grandpa. I'm polite to my grandpa. I'm polite to my teacher. I'm polite to my teacher. I'm polite to my friend. I'm polite to my friend.